Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, we have opened Euro USD pair. Okay, we'll start trading from the next candle. At present the market is moving down. If you have noticed clearly, just now the momentum has been started in the previous and we got a retracement again. If you notice, there is a strong candle, so that's why I used to continue the candle with sellers here. You can understand here clearly why I have gone with sellers. Overall market is making a U-turn and now market is going to downtrend. So if you notice, previously you have strong selling candles. In between you got one buyer's candle which is a weakness and weak candle, and it's a continuation sign. And again if you check the seller's candle which is a strong candle. So that's why I have gone again with sellers here. Here if you check, we don't have any kind of levels, all are minor levels only. So we can continue. In the downside only we have the major level. Up to that particular area, I can easily go with sellers here. Okay. Here if you check, the previous candle was a strong candle. We don't have any kind of rejections from the both sides. So easily I could continue the trade with the favor of momentum only. Maybe in this video you may get maximum momentum candles. Why? Because market is moving in a momentum and it was a downtrend. So easily you can go with sellers here. In between you may get one or two buyers, but there are only retracements. Up to that you can easily go with sellers and you can continue the market to the downtrend. So we used to take only selling trades. Can you predict what is the next candle? Here if you check, at finally we got a loss. Why? Because it's a doji candle. In the middle we got a doji which is a continuation sign. Okay, easily you can continue again. Maybe the market has a weakness, but market will continue because left side we don't have any kind of levels. Previous was a loss because it's a doji which is a no buyers no sellers candle. So again I am continuing with the selling candle only. Okay, here the sellers are getting stronger over here. One second, let the sellers enter strongly. Okay, what is the next candle? Can you guess? The left side we don't have any levels. Should we continue or not? Yes, you can continue again with sellers only. Here we got win. So once again we will check. There are nothing levels because all are weak levels only. Momentum will break the levels easily. So again we can continue with the sellers here. So maximum try to trade with the momentum only. So the sellers are getting too stronger. So easily you can continue with the selling trade. If you're really interested in our premium course, you can join. Link in description. You can contact us on Telegram, and if you have any doubts also, you can message us in Telegram. Okay, finally the sellers are getting stronger. Can you guess what is the next candle? Okay, finally we got win. Okay, again I will continue with the sellers only. See, in the left we don't have any levels. Let me plot one more level for you. Okay, here I got somewhat buyers, so up to that level we'll see what will happen. See, still the sellers are getting too stronger, and even the level has a gap, so I used to continue. Easily you can go with sellers here. So maximum try to trade with valid points only. Don't blindly trade everywhere. because it may end up with losses. So try to trade with momentum only. Here you got strong momentum, so easily you can go with selling candles only. Okay, finally we got an doji candle. Okay, but our entry point saved us. Okay, now next candle I can go with buyers here. Okay, let me get a nice entry point first of all. No, here entry point is important. Why? Because without that we may end up with losses. Okay, if I get an opportunity, nice entry point, I will definitely go with buyers here. Okay, I got nice entry point. Let me take the trade first. Okay, I got nice entry point. Why I have gone with buyers? First of all, in the previous when we got doji, the candles are strong, which means the sellers are strong, so it will continue. After that, if you notice, we got only weak candles. So you may understand it, while coming to the weakness, you should prepare that the buyers are getting stronger, the sellers are getting weak. So if you notice the last three candles, the sellers are continuously getting weak. So that's the reason only I have now gone with buyers, and the level was touched with the rejection. So that's why I have gone with buyers. Okay, you should think, you should check the weakness also in the market. Okay, here I can go again with buyers. Why? Because easily you can go with buyers. Already the sellers are weak in the form of doji, it has been shown. So that's why you can go with buyers here. Let's see what will happen. So you should take these points as consideration always. So try to trade the levels only. In these cases, try to check the areas. Otherwise, try to change the chart. In that you may get nice opportunities also. Here the buyers are pushing strong, but maybe our entry point will make up those. Okay, again doji. Okay, it's time to change the chart because we can't trade in this chart because there are a number of dojis. Okay, here I can easily go with sellers. Let me take the trade first of all. Okay, okay, one more trade because of my entry point. Okay, I got nice one more entry point. Okay, let me plot the levels for you. This is my resistance where previously there are strongly sellers have entered. This is my support where next buyers will enter. Okay, if you check, previously there was a momentum, just now market came to an end and it was moving in a sideways. So easily you could take a selling candle here. So that's why only I have taken with sellers. If the market break the buyers area, then only I can go with buyers. Up to then we can go with sellers, but here we got a rejection from that area. Previously every time the market is getting rejection. Okay, if possible I will try to take with buyers. Let's see what will happen. These kind of trades are 50-50. Sometimes the buyers will come, sometimes the sellers may fulfill the area and it will go up. Let's see what will happen here. Maximum try to trade at the levels only, because in that levels you have a understanding, you have a clarity how to trade, where to trade. So that's why you should take trades at the levels. Here we don't have any opportunity in this chart. The market is making a U-turn. Okay, here the sellers are interested, I think so. Maybe it will fulfill the gap. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, finally the sellers have been entered. Okay, next candle we can easily go with buyers now because finally the market reached to the level. Okay, let me plot the trade first. Okay, 1 second. Oh, entry. Okay, I don't have an entry point for the buyers. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take rejection trade. The candle will be a buyer's candle definitely, but in the favor of rejection, we can win the trade easily. Okay, in the favor of rejection, we can win the trade easily. Why? Because if you notice the previous candles, the buyers have minimum wicks and the market wants to go down. Previously, market has started the downtrend. So easily market could go down again. So that's why in the favor of rejection, easily we can go with sellers. So this confidence makes me to take a reversal trade, but the candle will be a green candle. Okay, finally the rejection has been successfully completed. Maybe we got win and we got lucky also. Okay, finally we got win here. Okay, here is my history, you can check over it. Only 3 losses, 2 are late entries, 1 is official loss. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.